Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can change the name of your Facebook page. So let's start our video. First thing you need to do is to open Facebook application. Then you need to tap on the menu right here. From here, you will find this drop down arrow. You need to tap on it and now select the page. If you have multiple pages, you need to switch first. So I will choose the page that I want to change the name of. So once you switch to the page, tap on the menu again. Here you will find the setting gear icon. You can access settings by settings and privacy, and here you will find settings as well. So once you are on the setting page, what you need to do is to scroll a bit where you will find the option page setup. All you need to do is to tap on it. Here you will find the name. You need to tap on the name. And here, if you change your name, you can't change it again for 60 days. So if you have changed it before, within the 60 days period, so you cannot change it. But if you are doing it for the first time, or if you have changed it 60 days ago, you can just erase the name and type in the new name and then tap on review changes and then save it. So guys, this is all it takes to change the page name on Facebook. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.